subtract polynomials intro. All right, so this time we are subtracting, like the title says, which means that the subtraction sign outside of our parentheses here is going to change our signs inside. So I have this problem written down right here, and I will show you what I'm talking about. So the last one we had, this was a addition sign. So we just basically erased all the parentheses and added straight across. Well, now it's subtraction. So because it's subtraction, we need to change all of these signs. So this one will become positive, this one will become negative, also negative, and then this turns positive. So everything changes signs all the way down. And then once you're there, now we can erase our parentheses. And we just proceed normally. Well, 2 plus signs in a row is not needed. So we can just erase one of those. Plus and negative is technically just a negative, so you can erase that if you want. And a plus and negative is also just a subtraction problem. So now we need to proceed normally. Look at all of your like terms. We have n to the fourth and n to the fourth. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. So we have 0 n to the fourth. You don't need to write this. But I just want to actually write it so you can see what it looks like. Going down to write in standard form, we're looking at our exponents. So we have a 4. Our 3 is here. It's negative 2n to the third. No other exponent with a 3 on the n. So that one's done. Squared. And then finally we have our constant is last. So our answer is negative 2n cubed minus 5n squared plus 8. And our answer is right. Next problem. Question 2 is right here, and I have it written down. All right, so subtraction once again. So we need to change all of our signs. So remember, we just change all of the signs. So this one goes positive, positive, negative, positive. Once we do that, we can erase our parentheses and see if we have any doubles in a row, the plus signs in a row. We don't need that plus sign because it's a plus and negative, and that one's good. All right, they're both written in standard form, so we're just going to match up like terms. So those are like. We have our v squareds here, and then finally our v's. There's no constant in this problem. Negative 5v cubed plus 5v cubed is 0, so we don't have to write that one. Negative 9v squared minus 9v squared is, I'll write in blue, negative 18v squared. And then finally we have plus 6 and plus 6v, so we get plus 12v. And that should be our answer, negative 18v squared plus 12v. And that's right. 12V, if you know batteries, that's a 12 volts. That's what that means on batteries, 12 volts. It's not random. All right, question 3. I have it written down right over here. Okay, so let's once again go through and change our signs. So it becomes positive, negative, negative, and negative. All right, erase our parentheses. And we have a plus and negative, so really this plus sign can go away. It's just going to be negative right there. Negative, everything's negative. All right, so d squared is not the leading term. We have a d cubed. So are there any other d cubes? I don't see any. So the first term is negative d cubed. We have d squared here. No other d squareds. That's a positive d squared. Okay, and we have 60 minus 60. Those cancel out. Plus 9 minus 9, those cancel out. So our answer is d cubed plus d squared. Negative d cubed. And last question. I'm going to try and do this one on the board right here. So we're going down. We're going to change these signs. So this is going to be a plus 4k squared and a minus 5k. So I have no other cubes, so 2k cubed. We have minus 7k squared here. Remember, this is a plus 4k squared now. So we have minus 7 plus 4 is a negative 3k squared. We have a plus 3k here, and this is now a negative 5k because the negative sign distributed. So plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, that should be our answer. And we are done.